kung dumagsa ang tao sa lansangan, mapipilitan ang Armed Forces of the Philippines to withdraw support from the Commander-in-Chief. Ito ang pinakamabilis na transisyon. Hindi tayo lalabas doon sa constitutional line of succession. Ibig sabihin po, nasa batas pa rin ang pagkilos natin. Let the constitutional line of duty of the Armed Forces be their call of conscience. Ano po yun? That the Armed Forces of the Philippines shall be the protector of the state and the people. And Marcos and Romualdez are not the state. They are not the government either. Ibig sabihin po, mapapadali ito lahat kapag nanindigan ang AFP kasama ang PNP to withdraw support from the Commander-in-Chief that will render Marcos inutil, and therefore a transition of power as stated by the Constitution can take place. And then huhulihin natin si Marcos, si Romualdez at sila Saldico, papanagutin sila at bawiin ang ninakaw at dinambong na kayamanan.
Sinong umaahon, tayo ba o sila? Mga ngiti nila habang nakalubog ka pa sa napuntang bulsa. Pinaghirapan